Okay, Azaria, tell me, how did you graph this expression on the number line?
I want to graph the expression is I marked -1 as my p.
Okay, -1 as our p. Very good.
And then I made a line from -1 to -8.
Going which direction?
And I went
So Azaria then made a line and arrow from -1 to -8 going the left direction. And why did you know to stop at -8?
because -1 minus 7 is -8.
Okay, awesome. So Azaria correctly graphed -1 minus 7. So now let's think back to what Arthur said. How could we rewrite this expression, but now using addition, and we'll get the exact same answer. And if we think we'll get the same answer, then we can stamp that conjecture and we know it's a correct right idea. Corey, go for it.
-1 plus parentheses -7.
Say it one more time louder so everyone can hear.
-1 plus -7.
-1 plus, and I love how Corey also said, parentheses, -7. Let's see, this is something we've been doing for the past couple days, graphing when you add a negative number. So now, do you think we're going to end up with the same answer? Yes or no? If you think a thumbs up, we'll get the same answer. Let's see. Thumbs up, you think we're going to get the exact same answer. Come here. Walk me through. How did we learn how to graph this, and let's see if we can get the same answer. What's the initial value? What? Is 1, or what's that? -1. So that's where we're going to start on our graph. I'm going to just draw it right above the other arrow. Okay, and then what happens if you add a negative? What did we learn? Is our initial value going to get bigger or smaller if we add a negative? It's going to get smaller. So which direction will the arrow be going? We'll be going left until where? Until -8. So let's see if that's going to get us there. If you add a -7, exactly right. We are going to end up at -8. So it seems like what Arthur said is exactly right for every single situation. If you subtract a positive, you're going to get the exact same answer if you add a negative. So I want everyone right now writing on their sheet, make sure you have this somewhere, our conjecture for the day, which is I want to see everyone writing. Subtracting a number is equal to adding its opposite. Subtracting a number is equal, there, first write this and then you want to answer your question. Subtracting a number is equal to adding its opposite. I want to see everyone writing that. Sorry. I want to see everyone writing that down. Awesome. I see Michelle writing that down. Awesome. Very good. So we just stamped our conjecture for the day. That means we now tested to see if our conjecture worked, and it did. So now we're going to continue working through problems, making sure we always look back at our conjectures. Subtracting a number is equal to adding its opposite. So I want now everyone trying that out, thinking about that logic. I want you all to take 2 minutes to solve the next problem, which is -2 minus, in parentheses, -6. And make sure you have that conjecture out to help you. 2 minutes, I want to see everyone solving that, circling their answer. Please begin.